We understand that efficiently managing and tracking prescription-related activity in healthcare organisations can be a complex and time-consuming task, especially when it comes to controlled drugs and home care management. WebTracker helps our NHS colleagues by ensuring that all prescriptions are accounted for and nothing is lost or misplaced. With features like controlled drug and aseptics ordering and tracking, home care management and real-time dashboards, WebTracker streamlines the prescription management and tracking process. Our NHS colleagues use the technology to keep track of inventory and scheduling, which enables them to monitor the movement of products and supplies within the organisation. This ensures patients receive their prescription at the right place and at the right time. In recent years, the number of prescriptions dispensed in the UK has continued to increase, putting a strain on healthcare organisations and making it even more difficult to track prescription-related activity manually. The complexity of prescription-related activity has also continued to increase. There are now even more medications available, and patients are often taking multiple medications at the same time. This complexity makes it even more difficult for healthcare providers to track and monitor prescription-related activity manually. As a result, software that can track and monitor prescription-related activity in secondary care is more important now than ever. At Promatica, we believe in delivering measurable outcomes via market-leading software. WebTracker is your tool, and we can support you to get the best from it.